Hey, how you doing? Welcome and thank you for watching. So today I'm going to get ready to clean my bathroom area. I did my hair, and as I was doing my hair, it got a little messy. So clean the bathroom area with me. First, I'm going to start by arranging things, putting everything where they go, and yeah, just stay and watch the outcome and see how this goes. Enjoy.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around.
Okay, so baby Halo, she started to cry, and she started to cry continuously, nonstop. So after I gave her some time to get out her anger or her excitement, because due to the fact that she a baby, her only form of communication is crying and a little jibber jabber. So after I let her get all that energy out, I went and put on my baby carrier and carried her as I cleaned up. And as soon as I picked her up, she just started to laugh and talk. So, which was understood that she just wanted to be held. Nothing was really wrong with her. You see her trying to eat my fingers. She's 4 months. So she's teething and she's talking and she's growing and she's crying and she's just moving and growing. So now I'm going to arrange their habo box. This is where I put all of the habos and just all the accessories and materials that I use to do their hair.
Light off.
Okay.
What? What?